We got more eBay packages. Got 3 today, so I'm gonna unbox each of them. Hope I don't show my shipping label because I haven't got it off this package. Let me set my iPhone down to open it. There we go. Hope the frame rate didn't drop. Hold on. Hope that isn't in bad condition. I paid like $10 for this, for a single ball. Hold on. It is all taped together. Almost. Not completely though. I mean. There we go. Oh, it's in good condition. I'm surprised. But it's just one bulb. Holy fuck, this is amazing. It's a GE crystal clear 6,200 lumen, 300 watt, 7050 hour PS25 incandescent light bulb. I got the Sylvania PS31. I wonder how bright this is. The Sylvania isn't as bright. The GE will be brighter. And this has a heat shield because it will get really hot. Yeah, you can't use this in a lower rated fixture because this will get really hot. Very nice GE bulb. You will not see these anymore. These LEDs won't beat these. LEDs are best for 100 watts or below, or some of their floodlights are good though. But it's just hard to find a PS25 200 watt equivalent LED. I don't think they make them at all. Look at that, it's beautiful. I think this is going to be better than the Sylvania. It was already bright, the Sylvania though. It was pretty good. I already made a video about it when it gets really hot. So, I recently burned my finger by a 25 watt incandescent, so this will not be touchable. You cannot touch any incandescent bulb, these will all get pretty hot. Like a 25 watt cell operates like at 180 degrees, which is pretty hot. You can get an LED that operates at like 140 for 100 watt equivalent. Hold on. Fucking hate tape, but just to keep it secure. Hold on. Oh my god. Holy fuck. What the hell is this? Hold on. It is not coming open. Let me set my iPhone down. There we go. Yeah, the positivity is that my shipping label was exposed. I already edited the video, so we'd have to upload this. Export this in iMovie. So here are more incandescent bulbs. I ain't getting extra bulbs. Yep, look, I get 2. Well, it says 2 on the eBay package. Here's a GE photo flow bulbs. These are vintage. I gotta be careful. This is the package. It's just beat up. These are 500 watts. Look at that. Let's see if these work. I don't have a fixture that's rated at 500 watts, so we'll operate these along. These are good light bulbs. Yeah, and these only have a limited lifespan. I know the hours are 60 hours on these. They're not that good. So I won't like operate them too long. I'm keeping these as collectibles. Oh, that cardboard mess. It's a fucking mess here. Here's a GE dichrocolor bulb. The full word's dichroic. So, and it's a green bulb. One of my YouTube on here has a blue one. You know who he is. I watched him like years. Look at that. So that's it. I will clean this mess up. These are nice bulbs.